Today we are talking about the longest migrating bird in the world. The Arctic tern holds this title, traveling up to 71,000 kilometers round trip each year. These incredible birds fly from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back. They make this journey to follow the summer around the globe. Arctic terns can live up to 30 years, making multiple migrations in their lifetimes. They navigate using the sun, stars, and Earth's magnetic field. These birds have incredible stamina, flying for months without stopping. They face many dangers along the way, including bad weather and predators. Despite the challenges, Arctic terns continue their epic journey year after year. Their long migration is a marvel of nature and a symbol of resilience.